Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch Kiwi. I just thought I'd share the first few days of this year with you, and after that, well, I'm actually going to dive right back into autumn of 2024 and continue on my French journey, showing you some of the most beautiful places we've visited. So, well, enjoy this video for the first one for 2025. And don't be shy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you're more than welcome. I'd love to have you on board. Okay, happy watching. Welcome to my kitchen. It is mayhem in my kitchen at the moment. The new year has started and it's time for me to tackle some chores that have been left, like tidying up in storage spaces and cupboards and things like that. And one of the main ones is my pantry. And so today I am actually wanting to do something about that. So my bench is cluttered with things I've gathered from all over the pantry, and I've now got to find a space for them all. All in all, I'm really quite happy with my pantry. But I have been sorting it out because it has just become such a clutter and I haven't been putting things back properly. So this shelf here is due for a bit of a reno, and it's high time I did something about the mess. Now, I started on the pantry and started collecting things that were in the wrong place, and you know, I'm just going to have to find a way to reduce this so it will all fit on that shelf. So no use talking about it, I've just got to get cracking. Making headway. I have topped up my spice jars from my special extras. I buy them in larger packets and I top up the jars, so that was a big job. Well, here we are, the shelf is all packed up and raring to go. Yeah, I'm all organised again. Now, it can't be all work and no play, so we went to have some coffee, a New Year's coffee, with friends who have just moved house. Wow, what a view! So after all that hard work, I took a bit of a break this afternoon, and we're going to have a very easy seasonal meal tonight. We are having sauerkraut. Now, that means mashed potatoes and the sauerkraut, and then this beautiful, really delicious smoked sausage. It's really traditional winter fare, especially when it's so cold outside. So, that's what I'm going to do, just a one pot, simple. Slowly cook the potatoes first. I'm going to stew just slowly the sauerkraut in some apple juice. And so my husband likes it when it's a wee bit sweeter. And the good thing was, I hate food spillage, but they had these containers for 50 cents because they have to be used by this date. And so I bought 2 of these containers, which is more than enough for the 3 of us. So, yeah, not only is it quick and easy, but it's economical too. How's that? Now sauerkraut is actually pickled cabbage and it's quite tangy, especially when it's been standing a while. But anyway, so I normally add some apple juice. So I'm going to make the apple juice now and add it to the Schürkohl, or sauerkraut. And that's the handy thing about having a juicer standing on the bench. It's normally in the corner there. So it's going to be a bit noisy, so I'll turn it off. And there we are. I know, it's a pain, but then you've got to clean the machine, but it's worth it. Why should I buy apple juice when I can make my own? And that's it. That's on a very low little, well, it's not on a boil, it's just hot enough, and it's just going to steam its way, so get the flavour through. The potatoes are on, and the sausage will go on the sauerkraut, so that the flavour of, that lovely smoked sausage sort of gets through. And then I'll just mash the two together. Slice the sausage, Bob's your uncle. Oh, yes. What's not to like? I love this. Now I've made a sauce. This is the apple juice that I strained off the sauerkraut, mustard, with a little bit of thickener, honey. Oh, yummy, mummy. Now, I never said it'd be low carb. I just said it's going to be really nice. It's cold out. We've got some really frosty days and early mornings and that sort of thing. And this is the sort of hearty meal that you need just to keep warm. It's the 8th of January and we've actually had quite a few full-on days. We enjoyed that meal and we're actually now enjoying some frosty mornings and sunny days. So I do hope to see you back again on my channel when I post my next video. So keep your Thursday evenings or mornings free because there'll be more coming up every week.